Detail of my material. MM02 enter. Material is this. Press enter key. QM view is not activated. So let me activate the QM view in this. So we can go to MM01 enter. Material is this. Press enter key or you can click on select views. Select quality management view also from this. Plant is 1710. Continue. I can activate inspection type 89. Click on activate. Click on details. Then these are the default settings which are maintained for the inspection type 89. Click on continue and then save it. QA32 report also. Enter. Click on execute. So at present there is no lot for this material. Creating a lot for it. /o QA01. Press enter key. The material is this. Plant is this. 89 lot I'm creating. It's a batch managed material. So let me enter some quantity. Batch number will be created. Click on save. So it is giving me the information. No plan exists for it. Continue and still if I save it, then the lot will get created. And if we check the details here, refresh it. So my lot is with the origin 89, but it is in the created state. If we see the detail for the inspection lot, the status is CRTD, which is created because the plan is required. There is no plan exist for this. In the inspection specification, in the lower half, there is no plan assigned to it. Let me create a plan. QP01, enter. Here I can enter the material, which is this. Plant is 1710, enter. And enter the usage as 3, which is for the universal. Status is 4. Click on operation. I can assign the control key as this and the description. I can assign some MIC and the sampling procedure, which could be used for calculating the sample size. Press enter key and then save it. So now my plan exists for this, and if I click on task list, then the plan is linked. Okay, with the usage 3, and if we go to the sample, click on sample, sample size is calculated, save it, refresh it. So my lot is now in the release state. If I now create a fresh lot for this same material with the origin 89, I'm entering the quantity, click on batch, continue, and then save it. This time it is not giving me any message in the plan was linked to the lot. Refresh it. The new lot which is created is now automatically in the release state as the plan exists. So this is one reason that if the plan doesn't exist, but the lot is created, your lot will be in the created state. You have to manually assign this plan which you have created later on in the inspection specification to your inspection lot by manually selecting this task list, and then you have to even calculate the sample size by selecting sample. Then your lot will be in the release state. Otherwise, if the plan exists with the appropriate usage, then it will be automatically linked. If I make the changes in my inspection plan, /o UP02 enter, material is this, press enter key, you saw that my plan was linked when the usage was 3. Let me make it say 5, and remaining things are same only. Save it. Create another lot. Press enter key. So this time it is giving me the information that there is no plan exist for this. Continue, and if I save it, and if we go to Q32 report, refresh it. Lot is created. Let me assign the batch number also. The lot is in the created state because the plan which is created is with the usage 5. Open the plan also. QP03, enter. Material is this, plant is this. Press enter key. Just now we have changed the usage to 5. Lot is searching for the plan with the usage 3. Either you manually change the usage to 5, assign existing plan is with the usage 5, manually change it to say 5 and then click on task list. Now it is linked. The sample need to be manually calculated by selecting this button sample and then save it. If I refresh it, it will be in the release dates. Previously, when my plan was with the usage 3, it was automatically mapped. But when my plan was with the usage 5, it was not automatically mapped. Let me show you the configuration. Quality planning, inspection planning, general. This define task list usage for the inspection plan, where we specify what are the possible usages. So for the inspection type 89, the usage which is used is 3, whereas for the good receipt, we use the usage as 5, which will be mapped in the inspection type. Quality inspection, inspection lot creation. Here we specify maintain inspection type 89. Here the usage which is used to map with the inspection plan task list is 3. That's why my 89 lot is searching for the task list with the usage 3. The plan exists with the usage 3, it will get automatically mapped. Otherwise, you have to manually assign it. For good receipt, it is 5. So if we check production department, I am receiving the good and 04 lot is created, then the usage for the inspection plan should be 5. Okay. Even for the code receipt from the purchase order for 01, again the usage will be 5 for the task list. The appropriate usage should be used for the inspection plan creation. So this is another reason that your lot is getting in the created state if it is not correctly mapped. Let me make the changes in my inspection plan once again and making it 3 only. We are maintaining it in the configuration that the usage for 89 should be 3. Save it. My plan doesn't exist, then my lot is in the created state. Or if my usage is not correctly mapped, then let me make the changes here in the lot size. At present, it is blank. My lot size is 10 to this. Then this plan should be linked. Save it and let's create another lot for it. I am keeping my lot size as C5, smaller than the specified quantity in my inspection plan. Click on the batch and then save it. So it is again giving me the message that no plan could be found for it. Save it. A QA32 report, refresh it. It is in the created state because my lot size is 5. If we go to the inspection lot, here even if I try to assign it manually, it is still giving me the message that no plan could be found. Let me create another lot with the quantity, say 10 or 11 we can make it. Enter. This time it is not giving me any information. Let me save this and go back and refresh it. A new lot is created which is in the release state because the quantity here is 11, whereas in the previous case it is 5. my planned lot quantity will also decide whether it will pick that particular plan or not. Here in the header level, I have kept my lot size quantity as 10. That's why it is not getting automatically linked. If I make it again 0 and then save it, let's try to reassign this plan to this created lot and click on inspection lot. Click on task list. This time it is getting linked. In the sample, you have to click on sample button so that the sample size should be calculated. Save it. Refresh it. So now again it is in the release state. So this is another reason that if your plan exists where you have specified specific lot quantity, then even that will impact material master. MM0 will enter material is this, press enter key, and in the quality management view, inspection setup, if I uncheck this automatic assignment, continue, save it, let's create another lot, press enter key, and I'm entering the quantities, click on batch, continue, and then save it. So my lot is created. Let's go to the QA32 report and then refresh it. Again, it is in the created state. Because in the material master, we have deselected the automatic assignment. That's why it is not getting automatically linked. The automatic assignment will decide whether you want to automatically assign the task list or not. If I select automatic assignment, continue, and then save it. Now again, if I create a fresh lot, press enter key and again I'm entering some quantity, click on batch, continue, and then save it. Again, go to QA32 report, let me go back and then refresh it. So the fresh log which is created this time, it is in the release state. Okay, so even in the material master, if the automatic assignment checkbox is unchecked, then also your log will be in the created state and it will not get automatically linked to your task list. If I select both, my material specification also and the task list, both the indicators are selected and even the automatic assignment is selected. Continue. It's giving me the warning that the material specification doesn't exist for this material. Let me still save this. Create a lot for QA01. Press enter key, entering some quantity and click on batch creation and then save it. Giving me the information there is no specification for this material. Continue and still I am saving it. Go to QA32 report, refresh it, a new lot is created which is again in the created state. If we go to the inspection lot, inspection specification, plan 2 exists for this lot. The plan details also. This is the plan which is linked, which we have already created for this material, but still my lot is in the created state. Inspection with the material specification, this is also checked. If we click on this, present in the display mode, there is no material specification created because so far we haven't created any material specification for this material. That's why my lot is in the created state. Let's save it. Let me go back. This is another reason if you select in the material master, this material specification maintained at the client level, and if we select this checkbox, then even if your plan exists, my lot is still in the created state as it is searching for the material specification. Okay, so let me create a material specification and see if my lot will get in the release state or not. So to create a material specification, it is Q is 61, enter. Material is this, press enter key. Search the MIC or I can enter the MIC directly if you know the detail, and then let's save it. Again, if we go to our inspection lot, inspection specification, if I click on this task list in specification, now the message is coming that the specification was assigned to the inspection lot. In the sample button, at present the sample size is still 0. Let me click on sample. So it is calculated and then save it. Refresh it. So now it is in the release state. If I try to do the result recording for this, it is showing me both the MICs, the MIC which is present in my task list, which was this, and the MIC which is present in my material specification. I am getting both the things. This could be the reason why a lot is getting in the created state. Logically, we keep only one as checked in the material in this. Okay, so let me uncheck this material specification here. I'm keeping only inspection task list as checked. Continue, save it. Let me create another plan for the same material. So QP01, enter. Material is this, plant is this, press enter key. Click on new entries. Purposely, I'm keeping my usage as 3 and status as 4. We have already created a plan with the usage 3. Let me assign the control key and some description. Select this, go to the inspection characteristics. I can assign another MIC. Press enter key and we can select the appropriate sampling procedure to be used and then save it. Create a lot. So QA01, enter and press enter key. This time again I'm entering some value here, press enter key. So this pop-up is coming. It is not automatically assigning the plan. It is asking me which plan you want to link. Two plans with the same usage is 3 for both the plans. Then I have to select manually anyone out of it and then save it. Again, if we go to our QA32 report and refresh it, so the lot is created. QA01, create a lot, press enter key. This time again I'm entering some value here, press enter key. So this pop-up is coming. If I don't enter the plan, you skip that one. Let's see. Continue and then save it. Again, if I refresh it, a lot is created and it is in the created state because I haven't selected anyone out of that pop-up list which was coming. And if we go to the inspection lot, there's no plan assigned to it. Here, if I click on task list, this is that same pop-up which is coming when I was trying to create the lot, which plan to be linked as both the plan has the usage 3. Continue. If I select anyone out of it, that plan will be linked. Select the sample button and then save it. Okay, so now if I refresh it, it is released. Plan. Let me mark the second one as deleted. At present, there is only one plan. The material master. So automatic assignment is already selected and even the task list is selected. Okay, in this, save it. And so this is the lot which I am creating with the quantity C12. Click on batch, continue. If I click on save, refresh it. So my lot is created and it is in the release date. If we go to the inspection lot, the plan exists and the sample size is 5. My lot number is this. Let's go back. If I cancel the sample size, Q is 02, press enter key, and if I click on this cancel sample, remove my sample determination. At present there is the plan exists, my system status is released, sample size is 5. Let me click on save. Cancel the sample size. If we go to our QA32 report, this lot is in the release date and I have cancelled the sample. Click on refresh. Now it is in the created state. Select this, go to the inspection lot. In the inspection specification, the plan do exist for this lot, but the sample size is 0. That's why the status is in the created state. For a lot to be in the release state, the sample size should be calculated, and at present it is 0. That's why it is in the created state. Let me click on sample button, then the sample size will be calculated. So now it is 5, and then save it. So refresh it. Now it is in the release state. If I create a plan for the same material, the plant is this and the key date is there. Instead of this date, let me make it future date 14 and press enter key. Click on new entries. Again, purposely keeping my usage as 3 and status as 4 for released, and click on operation. Enter the control key and some description. Select this, go to the inspection characteristics, assigning some MIC in, select some sampling procedure which can be used. Press enter key and then save it. If I go to the change mode, enter, it is showing me only 2 plans because my third plan is with the valid from date from 14th. Okay, let me keep it say 14th here. We check the inspection plan. So it is showing me all. Mark this also as deletion. So go to the header and let me mark it deleted. Save it. So now there is only one plan, but the valid from date I have kept it from 14th, not from 11th. If I create my lot, so QA01 enter. Material is this, plant is this, 89 lot I'm creating. I can enter some quantity and click on batch, continue and then save it. So again it is giving me the message that no plan could be found because I have marked deleted both the previous plan and the third plan which is active is valid from the 14th. Okay, let me continue with this and if I save it, to our QA32 report, refresh it. So another lot is created and again it is in the created state. If I go to inspection lot and in the inspection specification, here the key date is coming and it is picking up as 1110. Usage is 3. Let me open the plan also. 14th, enter. So I have 3 plans with the same usage of 3. 2 of them are marked as deleted and third one, if we check the header level information in the lower half, you will get the valid from date and I have created it on this date but kept my valid from date on 14. The inspection lot is searching for the plan which is valid from this date. So at present, if I click on this, again, it is giving me the message no plan exists. If I make it manually to 14, which is my valid from date for the inspection plan, and now click on task list, then it is linked. Okay, so this is another reason that your plan or the master data which you are trying to link is not in the valid period. On sample, now the sample is calculated, save it and refresh it so it is released. So there could be multiple reasons why your lot is in the created state and not in the release state. I tried few of the cases which could be the reason for the lot to be in the created state.